Um, this was supposed to be like a talkie, but before I started recording, um, I sniffed chimney, and then I started recording, but my phone told me that I didn't have enough space, and then I was like, oh fuck, I feel this sneeze is coming, and this is not recording. What am I gonna do? And so yeah, I basically try try to hold back while I was looking for a solution, But whatever, I'll sniff more. Oh fuck. Oh, that's. Oh fuck. Come on, more. Oh, sorry. Sorry. My nose is, I don't know, it's just not too sensitive today. Sorry. Ugh. I'm gonna blow, okay? I'm gonna blow. In case you don't like that, I'm going to blow my nose. Whoa.